Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we are exploring a GitHub page to find something powerful and useful for ethical hackers. We'll look at tools and techniques that can help you improve your skills. Let's begin. But what exactly is ALHacking Tool? ALHacking Tool is a hacking toolkit that is said to have originated from the darker corners of the internet, with some rumors linking its creation to individuals in Albania. This video is all about explaining ALHacking Tool. We'll explore its features, its impact, and its role in the world of cybersecurity. Let's get started. The whole thing is created in shell scripting, which makes it lightweight and easy to use. ALHacking is actually an Albanian hacking tool designed for ethical hacking. It comes with tools for social media hacking simulations, gathering phone information, Gmail attack simulations, user discovery, anonymous SMS sending, webcam hacking, and even a powerful DDoS attack tool. It works on almost any operating system, which is really cool because you can even run it on your phone if you want to. Now I'm going to open up Kali Linux and show you how to get this tool and explain what it does. First, I'll open my terminal. In my case, I like to keep all my external tools in a folder called Options, but you can choose any folder you want. Once I'm in that folder, I'll go to the GitHub page of the tool and copy the repository link. After copying the link, I'll go back to my terminal and type git clone followed by the link I just copied. You'll need to wait a little bit while it downloads. Once the cloning process is done, I'll navigate into the ALHacking folder by typing cd ALHacking. From here, it's really simple to open the tool. All you have to do is type bash alhack-h and the tool will start running. Now when the tool opens, you'll notice that the menu is in Albanian. Don't worry though, it's easy to figure out. The first option is Requests and Update. This is for updating the tool, and it's the one you'll use if you need to refresh the scripts. You just select it by typing one and hitting Enter. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, even if you don't speak Albanian. Let's take a look at some of the other options. The second one is a phishing tool. There are many other options too. For example, there's a webcam hacking tool, a Gmail bomber, and a DDoS attack simulation. Some of the options like number 7 and number 8 are also in Albanian, but they're not hard to understand. For example, option 7 is a guide on how to use the tool, and option 8 is for uninstalling downloaded programs. The list goes on up to option 18 and each one does something different. Let me show you an example. If I select the phishing tool by typing 2 and hitting enter, the tool installs Zfisher for me and opens it right away. It's so simple and fun to use, especially for beginners. If you've watched my other videos, you've probably heard me mention Zfisher before. It's a great tool for phishing simulations, and I actually used it myself a few years ago. I'm not sure how well it works now, but back then, it was awesome. Now let's get back to ALHacking Tool. Just hit Ctrl+C. To make sure you fully understand how this works, let me demonstrate it before we end this video. Let's take a closer look at option 11, which is GhostEye. First, I'll search for GhostEye in my browser and open its GitHub page. Once you find it, you'll see that GhostEye is a highly effective tool for information gathering. It's well known and widely used for this purpose, making it a great example to showcase. Now here's how ALHacking handles it. When you select option 11 and press enter, the tool takes care of everything for you. It will automatically download GhostEye, install it, and open it completely hands-off. Everything is handled in just one step, which makes it incredibly convenient, and that's exactly why this tool is so effective. It simplifies the process and makes it accessible, especially for beginners. You don't need advanced knowledge to use it, it automates a lot of the work. However, I always say that tools like this are great for learning, but they're not enough if you want to go deeper into hacking. If you're serious about it, you need to learn how these tools work behind the scenes. For now, this tool is perfect for beginners. It's simple, smart, and does exactly what you need it to do. ALHacking Tool is more than just a set of malicious programs. It represents a coordinated effort to exploit vulnerabilities and gain unauthorized access to digital systems. Its modus operandi often involves a multi-pronged approach, combining technical prowess with social engineering tactics to maximize its impact. The first stage often involves reconnaissance. Attackers using ALHacking Tool may employ automated tools to scan the internet for potential targets. These targets could be anything from individual computers with weak passwords to large organizations with valuable data. Once potential targets are identified, attackers can tailor their attacks based on the specific vulnerabilities they discover. After gaining a foothold, ALHacking Tool can be used to establish persistence. This means the attackers can maintain their access to the compromised system, even if the initial vulnerability is patched. They might install backdoors, create rogue user accounts, or even modify system files to cover their tracks. This persistent access allows them to exfiltrate data, launch further attacks, or simply lie in wait for the opportune moment to strike again. While concrete evidence and attribution in the cyber realm can be difficult to come by, there have been whispers and murmurs in cybersecurity circles linking ALHacking Tool to various cybercrime operations. Due to the sensitive nature of ongoing investigations and the need to protect potential victims, specific details of these incidents often remain confidential. However, based on the alleged capabilities of ALHacking Tool and the patterns observed in similar cyber attacks, we can speculate on its potential applications in the real world. Imagine a scenario where a group of cybercriminals targets a financial institution. They could use ALHacking Tool to breach the bank's network, gain access to customer accounts, and siphon off funds. In another scenario, ALHacking Tool could be used for espionage. Imagine a nation-state actor using this tool to infiltrate the computer systems of a rival government, stealing sensitive military secrets, or disrupting critical infrastructure. These scenarios highlight the potential real-world consequences of ALHacking Tool and the importance of robust cybersecurity measures to counter such threats. Section 5. The Cybersecurity Conundrum: Defense against ALHacking Tool. The evolving nature of cyber threats like ALHacking Tool presents a constant challenge for cybersecurity professionals. Defending against such sophisticated tools requires a multifaceted approach that combines technological solutions with human vigilance. It's a never-ending arms race, where staying one step ahead of the attackers is crucial. One of the first lines of defense is keeping software and systems up to date. Software updates often include patches for known security vulnerabilities, making it crucial to apply them promptly. Regularly updating your operating system, web browsers, and other software can significantly reduce your attack surface. Beyond software updates, employing strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts is paramount. A password manager can be an invaluable tool in generating and managing complex passwords, reducing the risk of credential stuffing attacks. Additionally, enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible adds an extra layer of security, making it significantly harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access, even if they have your password. Section 6. The Dark Side. Ethical Implications of ALHacking Tool. The existence and potential impact of tools like ALHacking Tool raise serious ethical concerns. The very nature of hacking tools, designed to exploit vulnerabilities and gain unauthorized access, begs the question of their ethical use. While some might argue that hacking tools are neutral, merely tools that can be used for good or evil, the potential for harm is undeniable. The proliferation of such tools lowers the barrier to entry for cybercrime, potentially empowering individuals with malicious intent but limited technical skills to carry out sophisticated attacks. This democratization of cybercrime poses a significant threat, as it increases the pool of potential attackers and makes it more difficult to track down the perpetrators. Moreover, the use of ALHacking Tool for malicious purposes can have far-reaching consequences, impacting individuals, businesses, and even national security. Data breaches can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. Cyber attacks on critical infrastructure can disrupt essential services, causing widespread chaos and potentially even endangering lives. Section 7. Staying ahead. The importance of cybersecurity awareness. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity awareness is no longer a luxury but a necessity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated and prevalent, individuals and organizations alike must prioritize cybersecurity education and best practices to mitigate risks. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of cybersecurity, it can be the difference between staying safe and falling victim to an attack. One crucial aspect of cybersecurity awareness is understanding social engineering tactics. Attackers often rely on deception and manipulation to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information or granting access to their systems. Being aware of common social engineering techniques such as phishing emails, malicious links, and pretexting can help you avoid falling prey to such scams. Equally important is practicing good cyber hygiene. This includes using strong and unique passwords, keeping software up to date, being cautious about the websites you visit, and being wary of suspicious emails or messages. By adopting a security-conscious mindset and incorporating cybersecurity best practices into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime. Section 8. The future of cybercrime, evolving threats and countermeasures. The world of cybersecurity is in a constant state of flux, with new threats emerging as quickly as old ones are neutralized. The future of cybercrime is likely to be shaped by the relentless advancement of technology, the growing interconnectedness of our world, and the constant cat-and-mouse game between attackers and defenders. One trend we can expect to see is the increasing sophistication of cyber attacks. As artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies continue to advance, cybercriminals are likely to leverage these tools to automate their attacks, making them faster, more efficient, and more difficult to detect. Imagine AI-powered phishing campaigns that can craft highly convincing emails tailored to individual targets, increasing the likelihood of success. On the defensive side, we can anticipate a greater emphasis on proactive security measures. This includes leveraging AI and machine learning for threat intelligence, using behavioral analytics to detect anomalies and potential threats in real time, and adopting a zero-trust security model where every user and device is treated as potentially hostile until proven otherwise. Section 9 Conclusion: Navigating the Digital Battlefield. The digital world, much like the physical world, is not without its dangers. The emergence of tools like ALHacking Tool serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present threats that lurk in the shadows of cyberspace. Understanding these threats, their potential impact, and the measures we can take to mitigate them is paramount in our increasingly interconnected world. While the fight against cybercrime may seem daunting, it's a battle we can win by working together and staying informed. By fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness, adopting robust security measures, and remaining vigilant against evolving threats, we can navigate the digital battlefield with greater confidence and resilience. The future of our digital lives depends on our collective ability to adapt, innovate, and outmaneuver those who seek to exploit our interconnected world. By embracing cybersecurity as a shared responsibility, we can create a safer and more secure digital future for all.